that you want to know these things, I wait you to ask questions. What are the other prospects? I talked about PPP. Why PPP? PPP will improve services, it will create efficiency, it will create effectiveness. Public-private partnership. Public-private partnership. I will come to that again. Public-private partnership will create efficiency, it will improve services, create efficiency, create effectiveness. Efficiency means how quickly we do things. Effectiveness is how much can we do and to what quality. Okay? It will maintain services, the funding gaps. It will fill those funding gaps. Okay? Because under PPP, you can increase your prices because everybody knows that this is private business you are doing. Okay? Then the service gap during industrial action, a PPP lab will not shut down. A PPP radiology will not shut down. A PPP trauma center. By the way, that list I said what was most profitable. The least profitable is trauma center, yes, on which we wrote off a bills worth 40 million last year. That patients could not pay. After we have harassed them, gone to their villages, gone to their towns, gone to their pastors, gone to their imams.
This is somebody who suffered trauma. You are still
harassing. Because we have medical social workers that go and verify your claims. Do you understand? And then we say sign undertaking. They say they won't sign. I said, just say you will pay when your condition improves. Or are you not praying for your condition, financial condition to improve? I have to promise them that as a pastor I will pray for them, that God will bless them. Just for them to sign that paper. Why? Because auditors will come and they will charge me for waste of government resources. They give you an audit query for waste of government resources that you had a 40 million revenue that you did not collect, you waived it. But as you let them see it, that it is outstanding. It will come under outstanding payments. HMOs are owing us. Indigent parent in Karimu, patient in Karimu is also owing us. So I didn't waive it. So, but when you have PPP, although it is hard to say, it will be very difficult to incur debts under indigent patient. Go and check some of those hospitals, I don't want to mention names, that are owned by government and are now partially privatized, PPP. If you are indigent patient, they refer you to National Hospital. That is simple. That's how we have to pay our bills. Okay? It will also, when we have major incidences, if you are partnering with another hospital, for instance in PPP, if your hospital, God forbid, has a flood like you had in Lagos, there's a flood everywhere, you can shut down that building and partner with your partner lab or partner hospital and move your patient there, because under the NHIS scheme, patients are not supposed to lose service because you're on strike or because there's a disaster. You're supposed to provide alternative for them. Okay?